welcome to my channel. Today's video is for Nena's Bubble. It's gonna be an unboxing and review video of some shoes that I got from Skechers. You probably already read the title, and I want to show you because they are so marvelous. Let's get started. They did come from when I ordered them. They came in, I want to say, a week, a little bit more than a week, and they came in a white box. And I want to show you because I was eyeing this. I was like looking at these particular shoes for a while already, but they were very expensive on the tier of expensiveness for me. And then I was searching, I was just browsing, and I believe it was Facebook where I saw them. It could be Instagram as well. And they were cheaper, almost halfway, a little bit less than half price. So I want to get them. So I got them. I like these kinds of shoes. If you have seen an unboxing I did before about my what was it called? My Balenciaga shoes that I got. They're not that I got from Walmart. I like chunky shoes and shoes that are not regular or people would probably put on the regular. I like crazy shoes, I like crazy glasses, and I put those because guess what? I'm the brave one that puts them on. You're not. So, so I'm gonna show you. First thing, I'll show you that they did include a whole magazine of their products here. You can see they have for men, they have for women, they have for children, they have tennis shoes and all that goodness things. And also, like they say, they have work shoes, and these are mainly for men, I think. Well, I guess women could also use it. And they have the kids ones. Yay! Totally not sponsored by anything from Skechers. I totally got these by my own. And please subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the little bell to notify you when I have a video. Will not have a video. And comment down below if you already have one Skechers or you're going to buy it because I'm making you because you go. Woo! They also included this, a gift for you. Now this, I already have opened it, but I put it back in a little baggie so I can show you. It's a little string bag, just like this. It's like this, and then you pull it, and then it becomes a little baggie, just like that. And it says Skechers, if you don't know how to read. And it has a funky smell when you smell it.
God.
And of course, they included the little thank you card from Skechers. Says thank you for sharing. There you go. And here are the beloved shoes of mine.
Wow.
Right here. I gotta tell you, when I was looking at their website where I bought it, because I bought them directly from Skechers, as you can see. I didn't buy them from Amazon. I didn't buy it from any other retailer. Bought them from Skechers. So, they are from the Ultra Good cushioning line of the shoe, or the sole of the shoe. It says yoga mat, shock liner technology, lightweight, maximum, ultra good cushioning. And you can see here like the little outline of the shoe. It says rubber outsole, contact points for durability, traction, and stability. And I got them on the size 6 because that's where I was going. On the website that I went, it didn't have a half size. So they didn't have a 6.5 or a 7.5, 8.5, 9.5, and so on and so on and so on. And they only have 6, 7, 8. So I had to get a 6, even though I'm like around there. Like 6, 6.5, depending on what shoe. So I was very nervous that they wouldn't fit, but I did. They did fit nicely. This is how they look. This is how they look. I love this color combination. Look at this. This is the shoe, sandal, however you want to call it. There you go. The bottom looks like this. You can see like it's a little bit dirty that I have used them a little bit already, and then I put everything back into its place so I can show you. It has a little tag here: performance and comfort, responsive foam, highly resilient cushioning protection, and it has this little shenanigan things, foam things to protect the the structure of the sandal. You can see the inside, if you can already see, is a peach color, peach orange. Then in here, the little cuff here is violet or lilac. Some accents, like here and here, or like light turquoise, or what do you call it, like pastel turquoise, and this one is like a pastel blue. These two are not the same color to my eyes. This one seems a little bit lighter, and here the sole here is like the same peach. Now on the sole you can see those same colors. Look it, on the front you can see the lilac but a little bit neon, and then on the bottom over here, and of course the blue is still part of the sole here, and then the white. These little things are for the traction, so when you step on it, they create some kind of a cushioning. You can see a little bit here that is cushion. I will put it on my feet once I show you. It is US size 6, UK is a size 3, Europe is a 36, CM is 23, and Brazil, I'm thinking, is 35. It says textile upper balance, man-made material, made in China. And yeah, over here on the side it says Ultra Go, like that. Here's the other one. This one's a little bit dirtier. Okay, and right at the bottom it says Skechers. Bottom it says Skechers, and right on the side as well over here it says Skechers. Now this part is gray and this insides are black. Now these things here are like the material of like a, what do you call it, like a backpack, like weather resistant kind of, that kind of a material. And of course you can adjust it from the back. It has this little strap here, and you can adjust it from the front, however thick you have your leg, your foot to be. That's the only adjustment that you can do. On the side it has this little fancy triangle, as well as on this side. Now for me, there's something funny. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell or not in the camera, but one of them is a little bit wider from this area right here. Can you see? Look at this. This is a little bit wider, and this is not. And this one kind of hurts me a little bit, but because of the cuteness, I can't resist. It's a matter of using it, and then it'll get loosed again, and then it'll be the same size as the other one. And you can honestly see right there. I don't know if they had them in the store and people will try on them and they got loose because of trying it so much, but it doesn't look like it because it doesn't look dirty, and because of Corona, I don't think these were used or tried on for 3 months. So that's how they look. They are very lightweight, very super nice. So I'm gonna put them in my footsies and show you how they look. And then I'll show you maybe how they look on one side. Maybe if they didn't have this little triangle, it wouldn't hurt me on the one that is more tighter. But I love them. I don't mind. I can support that one. So let me put them on my footsies, and then I will show you how they look. Oh, and I'm going to introduce you Baby Yoda, or the child from the Star Wars Mandalorian series. He's so precious and pretty. He was $24 at Walmart. Look at that. Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda. His little hands are plastic, as well as his head, and then his entire body is plush. That is the shoes. That is the shoes. The shoes. Unboxing and review. I totally love them. They're super cushiony. They're so comfortable. When you walk, it feels like you are literally walking like in a million yoga mats or those mats from gymnastics. If you ever stepped on them. They're so comfy and so cool, cute looking. You can wear them with shorts like I was wearing them right now, with just like regular shorts for going out and about, with a nice cute little dress, with anything really. They're really versatile. Or if you're like me, I was like, fuck, I'll wear it with anything. But yeah, that is my unboxing, my review, and my showdown of the Skechers sandals. I don't know how they are calling them. Just like my Skechers Max cushioning swag sandals. I don't know how you would call this little piece right there, but I love them. Thumbnail. Yeah, I recommend them. 5 out of 5 stars. Just besides the little thing, like I told you, the little thing that it's a little bit bigger, but I'm thinking I'm gonna get used to it. I'm just gonna wear them, and they're gonna get worn in, and they're gonna be super more comfortable. Yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below if you have them already. Are you going to buy them? If they're super cute. They also have those 90 colors, which I love. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so. Click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video. And comment down below, like I told you, if you already have them or you will buy them. And I will see you next time. Goodbye. Bye.